Hi Adrian. Right, so I've got Sarah holding the camera. So what we're going to do is just depress this until it goes click, and you'll see this bit here moves ever so slightly. So then I'm pushing it and pulling towards myself. So I'll just show you what he's trying to achieve. Let me just try and do that. Oh! Right. Right, so the other bit is shot off below me. And so anyway, it's even better now. It's like I've done it on purpose, isn't it? You can see there's a lip there. So what you're trying to achieve is you're trying to move this down to clear this lip here. So that's what you're trying to achieve. So there we go. So I'm off now to try and find the other end of my desoldering pump. So have a good weekend, Adrian. Ta-ra. Bye-bye.